And then now we're going to copy this, and then we want the UL inside this div, which is the first child, meaning the first UL inside this second div. So first child, and then we're going to say display this as a grid with grid template columns to repeat twice and one fraction column. And does that work? Let me see, background color red. Background color red. Huh. What div is this? Wait a minute. Let's bring this. Which div is this? It's this one. And then I want the UL. I want this UL. Am I doing that wrongly? The div and then the UL. Let me say this. The immediate UL, which is the parent, which is going to select these two. And actually, no, that actually fixes it. Oh, so maybe we can't do this. I think that's the issue. Maybe we can't tie in these pseudo classes. Maybe. So let's remove that, and then we can remove this.